Blue Sky has been around for over 25 years. There were only 3 or 4 other companies when we started this one. You know, when you walk around our studio, you see many different disciplines in the middle of any project that we're doing, that everyone's just thinking about the movie.
Blue Sky is a great place to work. Here we have this idea, and you know, you may say, "Wow, that's going to be really interesting and challenging." I really, can't wait to get started on it. And that attitude is great. Working with, I've never met a nicer, more creative group of people ever. We've just been wonderful.
조직의 어떤 구조가 되게 스파화되어 있다고 동료들이나 슈퍼바이저라든지 디렉터라든지 저희가 원하는 어떤 의견들을 얘기하기 굉장히 편하게 됩니다. 회사에서도 개인, 가족, 그런 것들을 존중해 주기 때문에 이런 근무하는 데는 커다란 어려움이 없이 근무할 수 있습니다.
I'm really fortunate that it worked out.
Blue Sky is a great place to work, and being an animator here is a dream job. The best thing about it are the people that you get to work with. They're really fantastic people to work with. We have a lot of fun, probably too much fun.